हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज के क्लास में हम देखेंगे लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन ऑफ पार्ट 2 ऑफ चैप्टर 7। क्लियर? सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। आउट ऑफ 20,000 वोटर्स इन ए constituency, 60% voted. Total number of voters is equal to, here total number of voters is equal to 20,000 and 60% voted. 60% of them voted, मतलब 60% व्यक्ति उसमें से वोट डाले। ठीक है, फाइंड द परसेंटेज ऑफ वोटर्स हु डिडंट वोट। परसेंटेज ऑफ वोटर्स हु डिडंट वोट voted is equal to 100 minus 60% is equal to 40%. Clear? 40%. Percentage of voters who didn't vote is equal to 40%. Can you find how many actually didn't vote? The number of voters who did not vote is equal to 40% of 20,000 is equal to 40 by 100 into 20,000. It is 4 to the 8 and 3 0. 8,000 voters didn't vote. Clear? Means 40% of 20,000 is equal to 8,000. 8,000 person didn't vote. Clear? Now see question number 2. Now see question number 2. 45% of the population of a town are men and 40% are women. What is the percentage of children? Percentage of men. Percentage of men in a town is equal to 45%. Question number 2 it is. And percentage of women in town is equal to 40%. Clear? Then what is the percentage of children? Clearly percentage of children is equal to percentage of children in town is equal to 100 minus 45 minus 40 is equal to 100 minus 85 is equal to 15%. 15% are children in the town. 15% are there children in the town. Now see question number 3. Strength of a school is 2,000. Question number 3. Strength of a school is equal to 2000, means there are 2000 students in a school, if 40% of the students are girls, then how many boys are there in the school? Percentage of girls in school is equal to percentage of girls in school is equal to 40%. Then clearly percentage of boys in school is equal to 60%. Clear? Then we have to find percentage of boys in school is 60%, and here we have to find number of boys in the school. Therefore, number of boys in school is equal to 60% of 2000 is equal to 60 by 100 into 2000. Clear? Then it is 1200. There are 1200 boys in school. Okay? So there are 200 boys in a school, and if we have to find number of girls, then number of girls is equal to 800. Now come to question number 4. Now see question number 4. Chalk contains 10% कैल्शियम. चौक जो होता है उसमें 10% कैल्शियम है, 3% कार्बन है और 12% ऑक्सीजन है. फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ कार्बन एंड कैल्शियम इन ग्राम्स इन 2/1/2 kg ऑफ chalk. टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ chalk कितना है यहाँ? मीन्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ chalk इज इक्वल टू 2/1/2 kg is equal to 2500 gram. Clear? Total quantity of chalk is equal to 2500 gram. Here percentage of calcium is 10%. Clear? Percentage of calcium is equal to 10%. Then amount of quantity of calcium in 2500 gram chalk is equal to 10 by 100 into 2500 gram is equal to 250 gram. 250 grams of calcium are there. Means quantity of calcium is equal to 250 gram, and percentage of carbon here is 3%. Percentage of carbon is equal to 3%. Then quantity of carbon is equal to 3% of simple 2500 gram is equal to 3 by 100 into 2500 is equal to 75 gram. Clear? Here you have to find only quantity of carbon and calcium. 3% carbon and 10% calcium. Clear? Now see question number 5. 800 gram of mortar consists of 55% sand, 33% cement and rest lime. What is the mass of lime in mortar? See question number 5. Quantity of mortar is equal to 800 kg. 800 kilograms of mortar are there, and percentage of sand is equal to 55%, and percentage of cement is equal to 33%. Then percentage of lime is equal to rest are lime. Then percentage of lime is equal to 100 minus 55 minus 33 is equal to 12%. Percentage of lime is equal to 12%. Then what is the mass of lime in mortar? So mass of lime, therefore mass of lime in mortar is equal to 12% of 800 kg. Simple. 12 by 100 into 800 kg. 12 8 ja 96 kg. Therefore mass of lime in mortar is equal to 96 kg. Now come to question number 6. Here one figure is given and some parts are shaded and some parts are unshaded. We have to find the percentage that represent the unshaded region in the figure. Here total number of box is equal to 100. In figure total number of boxes is equal to 100. And number of shaded box is equal to 60. The number of unshaded box is equal to 100 minus 60 is equal to 40. Is equal to 40. Then percentage that represent the unshaded region. Then percentage of unshaded region is equal to 40 by 100 into 100 is equal to 40%. Clear? Now see question number 7. Arun divides rupees 10,000 between his sons Anil and Ajay in the ratio 5:3. Find the share of each of them. मतलब अरुण डिवाइड किया 10,000 रुपया को अपने सन के बीच में 5:3 रेशियो में, मतलब 5 पार्ट मिला अनिल को और 3 पार्ट मिला अजय को, तो दोनों का शेयर कितना होगा, ठीक है। total amount is equal to rupees 10,000 and share of Anil and Ajay, ratio of Anil and Ajay is equal to 5:3. Then share of Anil is equal to 5 by total sum 5 by 5 plus 3 into 10,000 means 5 by 8 into 10,000. Simple it is. So the value is 6250. Share of Anil is equal to 6250 and share of Ajay equal to is equal to 3 by 8 into 10,000. Means rupees 3,750. Clear? See again, here total amount is equal to rupees 10,000. Ratio of share of Anil and Ajay is equal to 5:3. मतलब 5 पार्ट मिला अनिल को और अजय को मिला 3 पार्ट. तो शेयर ऑफ अनिल कितना हो जाएगा 5 by sum 5 by 3 5 plus 3 into 10,000 5 by 8 into 10,000. ठीक है, मतलब 8 भाग में से 5 भाग मिला अनिल को, तो 5 by 8 into 10,000 is equal to, after calculating it is rupees 6,200 and share of Ajay is equal to 3 part. इसको मिला 3 part, 8 part में से 3 part मिला, 3 by 8 into 10,000 is equal to rupees 3,750. So these are the shares for Anil and Ajay. Clear? So you all have to do all these questions in your fair copy. You all have to complete your copy up to question 7 of long answer type, and in tomorrow's class we will see next remaining questions of long answer type question. Till then, everyone, goodbye. Take care.